teens. Welcome back to Library Twins and Teens Got Talent. In today's video, we have Miss Summer. She is 10 years old. She will share her talent on making holiday ornaments. I hope you enjoy the program. Thank you.
Hi. You know that we all need a bit of fun and creativity to the end of 2020, right? Today I'm going to show you how to make ornaments, package toppers, or just plain decorations. What you will need for this is some glue, thread. You'll probably have some friendship floss lying around your house from making old friendship bracelets. You'll need some knickknacks to glue on, such as pom-poms. You'll need some baby-sized rickrack. White would be best. You'll need a pencil, an old cloth, and scissors. What you will need is a square, a circle, and a triangle for this. Draw your shapes and think to yourself, what can this be? Yes, you do have to use your imagination. Our first example is an ornament. So what I used for this is an old twisty tie, which I wrapped around and sewed on with gold floss. And then I wrapped the twisty tie in gold floss to make it look just like an ornament cord. And then all I did was I drew on with my pencil like a reflection. Next, I used a brown square, and then I sewed on some string, and now it looks like a brown paper package tied up with string. That's one of my favorite things. I also used a square to make a box. This can be for a birthday. I glued on a bow to make it look even prettier. And then for this one, I used two triangles, blue triangles. And then I took yellow floss and I sewed around the corner. This made a Star of David for Hanukkah. Next, did you think about combining shapes? Well, what you can do for this is you just lay out your two shapes on the fabric together, and then you cut it to make it one shape. And then what you can do is you can glue rickrack on to make it look like a gingerbread house. It looks super sweet. And to make it look even sweeter, you could add something like sequins to make it look like gumballs. Next, I took a green circle and a red triangle. This made it look like an elf. I also glued on two black pom-poms. And on the top, I stitched a little star to go with the string. After making all of these, I got a bit hungry. So I took a green triangle and I cut up some of the candy wrapper and I glued it on to make it look like ornaments. Don't forget to use your imagination. Do you see an ice cream cone? Thank you.